Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're most definitely welcome, and if you've been coming back for quite some time, thank you for your constant support. Today I'm doing a video on trying to conceive. That's what I've been doing. I've been away for about a month and been looking after myself, looking after my health, and getting my mind in the right space because I'm trying to manifest having twins. Okay, trying to manifest having twins. Yep, I know it sounds crazy, but hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're most definitely welcome, and if you've been coming back, thank you for your constant support. I appreciate that. I really do appreciate that. Guys, I've been away for a hot minute. It's been over a month and a half that I've been absent from YouTube. I have had so much going on in my personal life that I needed to take that break. You know, like I needed to look after myself before I could come out and produce some good content for you guys. So please do forgive me for my being so absent. Today I just wanted to do a very quick video. I'm going to jump right into it. I won't waste your time. I've been trying to have a baby, so trying to conceive. TTC, trying to conceive, is a new term that I just learned. Okay, and we started at the beginning of this month, so the 1st of June was my first MC, menstrual cycle. Okay, MC, menstrual cycle. Okay, so during my first menstrual cycle, I went to the shops and I got myself some ovulation kits, so then I can try and actually monitor when I ovulate. Okay, it's the first time I've ever done this, and you guys know that it's not my first child. It's actually going to be my last child because I've got 3 kids already. With my 3 children, I never had to do any of this stuff, but since I'm on YouTube, I thought, you know what, why not just share my journey? It's part of my life, isn't it? And that's what I want to do on YouTube, so I'm going to share this with you. So anyway, 3 kids are there and I want to have a 4th child. Okay, don't ask me why, because I love kids. Don't call me crazy because I'm not that crazy. I know people with 10 kids. Okay, I'm not that crazy. I'm not cray. It's okay. And most of us come from like big ass families. Okay, especially South Sudanese people. Anyway, so 1st of June was my first menstrual cycle, and I was excited, got the kit, and I started testing to see when I was gonna get a happy face. I tested more than 6 times and I never got a happy face once. Okay, I tested like the entire, right after my period, I was just testing. I'd never got a happy face for 14 days, and I'm not sure whether because I was using the I suppose the test wrong, because the first time I got it, I kind of stuck this thing. Actually, I've got a few here. I'll just show you guys what they look like. And the first one that I didn't write on them, but I know what I did. So this is what they kind of look like. Okay, so, and then there's like a digital bit where you stick it in and then it would have a happy face. I never got a happy face. I never got a sad face. I never got a face. I just got a flashing thing. And then I looked at it and it said there was an error, and that simply meant that I had to go and buy another one. And they were quite expensive. I think it was like 42 Australian dollars. Okay, so I wasn't going to go crazy about that. So I did that 6 times, and you know what, I just decided to use the stick. I'll just pee on the stick. And actually, you got to cut your pee in a little container, and then you got to stick this the stick in it, and it would tell you the reading. So you get 2 lines. So just before, when I thought I had actually ovulated, this is the last one that I did before we started the baby dance. So this is what my test results were showing me. Can you see the 2 blue lines? See the 2 blue lines? Yep, I'm sure you can. So that was the last ovulation test that I looked like there was a blue line. So for me, that was the go ahead. So on the 14th, we started dancing. Okay, we're getting jiggy with it, because you know, I think they recommend that you baby dance every, for some of you guys that don't know what baby dance is, it just simply means having intercourse. Okay, having sex, so you can actually have a child. So every 24 hours or 48 hours, you can actually try and do it in intervals. I think, okay, don't get too excited. So anyway, started, and after that I was like sure that I thought I was pregnant. Okay, I was so sure that something happened, and I was so excited. So I went to the shop and I started getting a whole bunch of tests. Okay, this is where I went cray. I actually went crazy over testing. I think I would have purchased well over God, I can't even. Anyway, let me just count. Okay, so 1 2 3 4, hang on, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. I'll take a picture later so you guys can see it. So that's 11, and I've thrown out a whole bunch. Okay, and my partner bought me some 2. So after that, I was like, oh, I've ovulated. So the baby dance business was over, and it was just the DOP time. Okay, this is the day past your ovulation when you are. These are all new terms. Okay, by the way, like I said before, I've got 3 kids. I never had to do this, it just happened. But I wanted to take this the extra mile and share it with you guys until the baby comes along, so we can say this is our baby. Okay, so anyway, from DPO7, which is day past ovulation, day 7, I started testing for pregnancies. Okay, and I think I'll just show you guys. This is the one that I was using, is the prognosis, I think that's how you say it. This is the test that I was using, the prognosis. And okay, excuse the P, it's looking a bit yellowish because I'm also taking lots of antenatal what do you call it, preconception tablet. So anyway, there you go, that was my first test. It came back negative, disappointed, day 7, a bit too early. Okay, but I didn't care, I just wanted to do it. And I just went on and I did another one. Another one's a bit more yellowish, so you know that I'm not tricking you, so you can actually see that I actually went ahead and did all these tests. Look guys, sorry, that's upside down. Look, okay, so I did that, and there's another one. Okay, so, and another one. I'm trying to test to see if I was pregnant. Okay, some of you guys that just get pregnant when your partner sneezes, good for you. So anyway, there you go, and I did another one. Okay, you count them. Okay, there's about 5 there, and I've thrown out a whole bunch. Okay, so the crazy lady kept going with the testing because I just wanted to know that I was testing. Went and bought a different test because I was convinced the other one were not telling me the truth, and I was seeing all sorts of different lines. So I went and I got these 3, to which they all came back don't know if you can see, they all came back negative as well. Some of them had really faint lines, and I wasn't sure if that is from the evaporation from leaving them sitting there for too long, or if that was a pregnancy. So when I see that, I get excited and I go to the shop and I'm like, oh my god, I saw a faint line, I must be pregnant. So anyway, I also got these little niggas here, these little guys, and there is absolutely not a second line, just the one line. I'm not pregnant. Okay, that's okay. I didn't get too upset about it. It's upsetting, but I wasn't too upset about it because I know it's the first month that we're trying, and I know that pregnancy is not something that just happened in a drop of a hat. Okay, so no hard feelings. I did some more. You know what, like I said, I got excited. I was so excited about it. Anyway, this is what happened. Okay, so it kind of just hit me. I did 2 more, and they were still showing nothing. I thought there was a faint line, there was no line, because after like a bit, it just, the line disappeared. So that's how many tests I did. And then I did my big final one just to see if there was potential that I was actually pregnant or not. And ladies and gentlemen, and you know, guys, it was not as exciting as I thought it would be. It turned out that I was not pregnant. There was a big fat no. Okay, I was not pregnant. So that was the last step. The last test that I did was digital, and the reason I did that is because I had false hope. Okay, sometimes things play up on your mind, so I thought, oh shit, I think I can see like a little faint line, so I'm just gonna go and get the digital and I'm gonna test it. And I tested and it was a negative. That's literally 25 bucks in the drain, you know, but that's okay. Okay, so anyway, like I said earlier, when I was testing, you could see there was a bit of a concentration of P there. It's just simply from the meds that I'm taking. So taking some of these, is the bioceutical enantal preconception, pregnancy and lactation support with active vitamin B's. So that's one of my favorite actually, because I used to take this with my other kids. Took that, just got it, like I just literally got it. I've been hearing a lot, people talk a lot about iron when you're trying to conceive, whatnot. So I got some as well from the same brand. You see that stuff, really good. And I took it with my previous pregnancies as well. And so for some of you guys that want to know what sort of test I was taking, a majority of them were this one, the first response, what I was taking, first response. That's the last 3 tests. And the other supplement that I've been taking that is meant to be amazing is actually, it's meant to help you to maintain healthy sexual function and libido, physical physical stamina and endurance. I don't know if I need that, okay, but that's what it says here. And it's traditionally used in proven medicine to increase vitality. So I've been taking Mecca, I don't know, however way you want to pronounce it. This is what I take, a pill a day, and my partner also, my man also takes one because he needs it too for good little swimmers, you know. Anyway, so that's what's been going on, and unfortunately I am not pregnant, and I'm not too sad, because even though I really wanted to have a March baby, I just know that sometimes things just don't happen like that for everybody. And so for me, I'm just looking forward for the next journey. And so I'll keep you guys up to date with my trying to conceive, okay, TTC videos. If you think you are interested, please let me know down here by subscribing down below in the corner there. It's free. It's not going to electrocute your fingers if you click on it. Oh my god, look how long my finger is. Just click it. Support me by clicking subscribe, share, comment. And if you do like and want to see more videos like this, or you want to see me not pregnant to being really pregnant, just follow me, okay? It's not that hard. We're gonna be having a lot of fun, okay? So anyway, and I'm gonna like take some pictures of the pregnancy test that I took, and I'm gonna put them up there on the corner for you. And also I will leave some description down below for the supplement that I was taking, just things like this. And you know, you can get them from your nearest health food store and stuff like that. And so that is my story time trying to conceive. I know that in our South Sudanese community, it's not often women would share these, even if they struggle, especially on such a light platform. But I'm sharing my story anyway because I have zero F to give. And you know what? It's my life. Like I said before, I am blessed with 3 beautiful children. So having another child is not going to be a big deal. And you know what? I'm just gonna do it anyway. Anyway, we are gonna do it anyway. We have decided we are going ahead and we are planning to have a baby. So please stay tuned if you want to see the day that I get my big fat positive test, okay, test result. I'm so excited. I'm looking forward to it. I cannot wait to share it with you guys. And keep praying for me if you do believe in prayers. Ask the universe, meditate for me, close your eyes and hum away and think about me. Put me in your positive thoughts so I can get pregnant quickly to have a April baby. Now it's not going to be a March baby anymore, okay? I love you guys. Thank you for always coming back, and thank you for your constant support. And I will see you next. Actually, I'll see you. I'll do weekly videos, but for this series of trying to conceive, today is my first day. It's actually my first day for my menstrual for July. I don't know why I came early, but I'm gonna start. So I'll do another video to follow this one up, and I'll keep you guys up to date, okay? Lots of love to you, and you look after yourself. Stay safe during such a difficult time, the COVID-19. We need to look after each other. We need to look after your health. Look after yourself. Look after your loved one. And I will see you guys very soon. Mwah. Lots of love. Bye, guys. Thank you.